Oh, hi there. It's me, a swoopy doop. Today we are going to learn how to draw a dog. This one is from my dad. Though I don't remember exactly how he did it, so we'll figure it out as we go. First things first, let's just draw like a shape like that and then another shape just like that. And we could close them off. These shapes right here, you could call them like, I don't know, maybe teeth or fingernails or like, oh, if you do like this, it's actually a tombstone. We don't need a tombstone though. So let's then add in a little bit of an eye. Oops, that's a little too wrong. That's perfect. That's also perfect. Just a little bit of a sparkly bit there and there. Just adding little circles to this makes it a heck of a lot more realistic sometimes. We add in some pupils. You see, we color those in and bada bing, bada boom, the dog is already looking alive. Now gotta add like a nose. And dog noses are kind of like cat noses, almost big triangles. Now, we do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Oh, maybe go like this. And like that, right? Oh my gosh! Let's just do this real quick. Oh, oh my gosh, he is so cute. Okay, now we gotta do this. Bring it over there. Do the same thing here and then top it off like that. And then, oh, look at these ears though. It's so good. Boom, boom. It got a sparkly. Oh, now we get to color the dog. Okay, I'm excited. I love coloring so much. Ooh, a squeaky chair. I don't know if you can hear my squeaky chair, but it's super squeaky. What color should the... Oh, we should make him blue. A blue dog? I've only known like one blue dog in my whole life. Okay, I'm lying. I never met a blue dog. But let's just say it's time to color him in. Oh, I think this is kind of a purpley blue. I like this color so much. Holy butts, man. Holy butts, Batman. Batman. Woo. There we go. That's perfect. Okay, next step, we add some white to like the nose and the eye. Gotta do the whole thing though, you know? Oh, perfect. Now we need more blue. Like even a more blue. More blue than the previous blue, right? We just color in right here. I don't know. Can dogs have blue eyes? Wait a minute. I just remembered huskies exist. Huskies are like, they got the most pretty eyes. I tell you what, okay? You might not realize it, but a husky's eyes, life changing. Absolute. Oh my gosh. He's adorable. Look at him. Look at him. This is the best drilling I've ever done today. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. I love you, each and every one of you, like emotionally, you know? And I will talk to you all later. Today, this is a dog that I think I can love. Y'all, don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you next time. Stay awesome. Be amazing. Because you already are amazing. I love you.